Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Real Facts. Today we learn some more questions about general awareness which is most important for upcoming examination. And first questions, classification of economics into two branches, macroeconomics and microeconomics, was done by Ragnar Frisk. Ragnar Frisk. And capital goods refer to good which help in the further production of goods. NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. Rate of growth of an economy is measured in the terms of national income. The basic characteristics of oligopoly is a few seller and many buyers. Governor will act on the advice of Council of Ministers while dissolving the legislative assembly. And the Supreme Court of India was set up by the Regulating Act 1773, which constitutional amendment provide constitutional status to Panchayat Raj Institution. 73rd Amendment. And who has the power to pardon in case of capital punishment? The President. The Union Public Service Commission of India has been established under Article 315. Article 315. 315. The Harappans worshipped Mother Goddess and Pasupati. Gandhiji started the Dandi March for protest against the imposition of salt tax. The famous court poet of Akbar was Tulsidas, who established four great mats at the four corners of India: Srinagar, Puri, Dwarka and Badrinath. The Shankaracharya. The local names of Mohenjo-daro is Mound of the Dead, मृतकों की टीला. Which is the longest dam in India? Longest dam, Hirakund. The thermal power plant in Tamil Nadu is Neyveli. Which one of the following regions does not come under the Mediterranean type of climate? Eastern coast of South Africa. The main cause of faulting is tension. Pan-American refers to North America, South America, Central America, all of these. Most primitive living vascular plants are ferns. Temporary wilting occurs in plants due to transpiration. Lichens are symbiotic association of algae and fungi. Photophobia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B4. Which of the following is photophobia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B2? Vitamin B2, not for vitamin B4. Photophobia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B2. Which of the following is present only in plant cell? Then cell wall. Cell wall only present in plant cell. The yellow color of mangoes is due to the presence of carotene. Lunar eclipse is caused by the shadow of the earth on the moon. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. And next one, asteroid belt is region in the solar system that exists between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, मंगल और बृहस्पति के बीच में. Electrocardiograph ECG is used to measure heartbeat. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. In computer network terminology, WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Which element produce hydrogen on reaction with strong alkali? Sulfur. Which metal does not react with dilute H2SO4? Then Pb, lead. The unit of rate of reaction is mole per liter per second. Salt that dissolve in aqueous ammonia solution is CuOH2. Residence time of water molecules in the ocean is 35 years. Biotic environments include producers, consumers, decomposers, all of the above. A natural phenomenon that becomes harmful due to pollution is greenhouse effect. Decomposers include both bacteria and fungi. Who said about religion that it is opium of the masses? Then Marx, Karl Marx. The first woman in the world to have climbed Mount Everest twice, Santosh Yadav. What is the basic foundation of Gandhian thought? Freedom of the individual. Amir Khusro was a famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. In the year 1905, Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded the Servants of India Society. Gandhiji believed that Satyagraha is a weapon of the brave. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is an exponent of Santur. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of Yoga Sutra. Which of the following president of America abolished slavery? Abraham Lincoln. Who is the first woman cosmonaut of the world? Valentina Tereshkova. Thank you for watching. For more like general awareness, please join my YouTube channel.